Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am trying out a new gel polish brand called the Gel New York. Today I've got 5 polishes from their Girl Crush collection, and I'm going to swatch them and let you know what I think. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get on into the video. So this first polish is number 131 Crush on Red, and when I think of red, I think of a really deep cherry red. So this one is more of like an orangey red in my opinion, but it's still very vibrant and very bold. This polish has a really nice, easy to use formula. It wasn't super thick, but it also wasn't very runny. So I applied 2 coats in order to get it completely opaque, and I cured it in an LED lamp for about a minute. Here's 2 coats of number 131 Crush on Red. The next polish is number 132 Crush on Pink, and this is a very bright fuchsia pink gel polish. So I applied 1 coat first, and again the formula is really nice, really easy to use. It wasn't too thick and it wasn't too runny either. On camera it does look completely opaque after just 1 coat, but in person it did look like it needed a second coat. And I cured it in my LED lamp for about a minute after each coat. So here's 2 coats of number 132 Crush on Pink. The third gel polish in this collection is number 133 Crush on Yellow, which is a mustard yellow gel polish. This gel polish had a slightly different formula than the first 2 polishes I swatched, and it was a little thick, which made it a little difficult to apply and took a little longer to cure in my LED lamp. But I was really impressed with the opacity of this yellow polish. I would recommend to apply really thin coats of this polish if you can, so that it doesn't take as long to cure and it cures a little bit more evenly. But I applied 2. So here is 2 coats of number 133 Crush on Yellow. The fourth gel polish in this collection is number 134 Crush on Green, which is a deep forest green gel polish. This one had a very similar formula to the first 2 polishes that I swatched, and it was a dream to apply. It was completely opaque in just 1 coat too, which is amazing. So here's 1 coat of number 134 Crush on Green. And the final polish in this collection is number 135 Crush on Blue, which is a really dark navy blue gel polish. This one also had a slightly thicker formula, but it wasn't as hard to apply, and it was also completely opaque in just 1 coat. So here's 1 coat of number 135 Crush on Blue. So that concludes the swatches of all 5 gel polishes from the Gel New York's Girl Crush collection. A few of the gel polishes had a little thicker formula, but I was really impressed with how opaque these polishes were in general. My favorite was probably Crush on Green because it was 1 coater and the formula was amazing. You can purchase this entire Girl Crush collection for $27.50 or each individual gel polish for $5.50 on their website, thegelny.com. I'll also leave a link down in the description box below. Anyways, that's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it, and if you did, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and remember to check out the Gel New York's gel polishes on their website, and I'll have a link down in the description box below. Anyways, that's all for today, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!